So this is the XAUUSD analysis for Monday 16th of October, XAUUSD, also known as gold. So let's just see what's happened. Well, we were, based on our analysis last week, we were expecting a continued move to the upside from the 112.63 region that we marked out as a major area of support. Now, we've held the 112.63. The very next level above it was what, 12.84. We've tested from beneath, broke above it, tested it from above, and we've had a continuation to upside. The next level was 112.96. Again, we've tested it twice from underneath, then we broke out above it. Prices are headed up to, prices are currently trading at 13.03. I'm expecting prices to go up to 13.05, over which we want to see how prices react if the holds level, if it tests it from the other side. After which our next target will be 13.20 and 141. Well, 13.20 and 13.41. Those will be the medium-term targets. If, however, we go on to test 13.05 and we do break down from there, 12.96 will come into focus, underneath which we would be looking at these high time frame moving average, currently sitting at 12.86, but more significant would be 12.84, as that is a level identified. So let's so overall my bias is bullish on XAUUSD. So now let's have a look at the higher time frame. Let's start with the monthly. On a monthly chart, let's just see how where we are. On a monthly chart, I am still I still hold faith in a bullish move towards 13.75. But before we get there, we'd have to successfully navigate 13.57, which may be a little difficult, but I don't think it'd be too difficult. And yeah, ideally I want to see prices continue to the upside and trade above this red candle here. That was on the 1st of September. Yep, I want to see prices trade above that candle. But again, what's going on? But again, on the monthly chart, we've seen our lows, we've seen a higher low. So overall, we are bullish on our monthly chart, even though we did have a bit of a pullback. So let's just have a look at the weekly chart. Let's just see where we are. On the weekly chart, it's a bit more messy. We've seen a series of lower lows and then eventually higher lows, consolidation, and then another high low again. So what do we have? We had 4 consecutive days of selling, 4 consecutive weeks of selling since prices reacted to the higher time frame moving average, and since then we've seen a lot of bullish buying momentum come in, especially since prices have gone all the way down to 12.63. We've got a sizable candle forming, well, that has formed last week, and we're in the process of forming this week's candle. So overall, the structure does seem favorable towards XAUUSD. Yeah, does seem favorable towards XAUUSD. So let's go down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, wow, just wow. On the daily time frame, we've had 6. Is it? We've had 6 consecutive bullish days, and we do appear to be putting a 7th. Although what concerns me is this big candle here, which may be a bit of an outlier in this context. So we might see some weakness before a continuation to the upside. Yep, so that should pretty much wrap up XAUUSD analysis. And before I go, LCS, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.